Sabi niya, tingnan mo, nakakuha ka. And then, marami rin kami nakuha ang ambulance. By history talaga, hindi naman nalimas. Maraming ambulance na nakuha sa PCSO. Even the crisis center that we set up for abuse women, may ambulance kami sa pilit. Anyway, so yun yung mga lessons learned ko sa kanya. And I tried to take it in the ropes kasi of being part of my life. At the age of 39, I became a widow. Nakita ko siya kung paano naging byuda, eh ako din hindi na nag-asawa. Sabi ko, ganyan ko lang naging, which is very decent ha. Kahit siya actress, ay conservative siya, no? Pero tsaka very practical, hindi siya, paborito lang niya pag humimiriyan ka kami. Ay, sabihin mo na lang ako magpitong sa akin. At gusto niya ng mahal. So these are the things that I learned from her, and I will share this. Though you're done with the rose, you will not be forgotten because for 35 years, hindi madaling kalimutan mo. And she's one person who motivated me to take my PhD. Sabi niya ganun, huwag ka na mag-asawa, mag-aral ka. Totoo yun, kaya sabi ko, sige Tita Rose, that's why I owe a lot from her. So Tita Rose, I know at the end of life, as mentioned by Pastor, that it's relationship that matters. I just want to add, it's not only relationship, but what matters is the legacy, the significance that you will left behind, to what you will share. And she has shared a lot of herself. Naging selfless na siya talaga. So, what matters is not what you have gained. What matters, she told me, what matters is your significance and sharing a part of yourself. And she told me, do not aspire for a high salary because in the Red Cross you will not get that. But the kind of, take your profession as a mission because the kind of help that the kind of feeling that you will derive, there is fulfillment that will be a compensation by itself. So thank you very much, Mr. Rose. I love you.